Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram Connect comments not showing. If you're using Instagram and your Instagram comments are not showing or loading, so let's see how can you fix it. You have to follow 5 different steps. The first step is that you have to make sure that you're connected to stable internet connection. So just scroll down your control center and here you will get your internet settings, highlight it's mobile data or Wi-Fi. You must have to enable airplane mode and then briefly wait for 10 or 15 seconds, and after that just tap on it to disable it. It will make a quick refresh in your internet settings, and after that just open your Instagram and check for that. But if you are still having the same issue, you have to update your Instagram app. Go to Play Store or App Store in your phone, then go to search, and here you just have to search for Instagram. Just search for it, and here in this open Instagram, here you can see that my Instagram is up to date. But if you have any update of your Instagram, you must have to install the update, and after that, the third option, it you have to offload the app. So let's see how can you do this. You have to keep a long press on the app, then select info icon, and here the app information will appear. You have to clear all the storage and cache, but make sure that it will remove your contact settings. First, you have to save your passwords and then clear the storage. And after that, but if you're still then you have to re-log into your Instagram account. But if you're still having the same issue, you have to make a restart of your phone. So you have to press and hold the power button, and then a pop-up menu will appear. You have to restart your phone. But if you are still having the same issue, so you just have to open your Instagram app, and here you have to contact your Instagram support. So go to your profile and then 3 dots, and here just scroll down and look for support. Just go for search, and here's the sports. Just tap on it, and here you just have to look for support, and you have to describe your problem which you have, and then it will send you a problem fixation. But so that's how you can easily fix Instagram comments not showing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.